Hey, good morning. It's Rick from Real Estate Flipping Mastery. Let's talk a little bit about finances. Again, before we go out and look at an actual house, we need to know our money. How much of a down payment do you have? Do you have cash left over to buy the renovation materials? Do you have closing costs and any other soft costs in order to buy the home? These should all actually be written down. There is software out there. Matter of fact, I have an Excel kind of spreadsheet program to help with that. If you need one of those, let me know. Happy to send it down. It will probably give you more than just a rough idea of where you stand financially with your costs, with the cost of the home. It even will calculate, based on the numbers that you plug in, the profit that you're going to make. You need to know what type of interest rates you're going to incur. That's going to increase your costs a little bit. So go out there, get your kind of financial house in order, even before we're looking at homes. That's it for today. If you need to talk or you have any questions, email me, Calendine for a Zoom call, and we'll talk soon. Thanks a lot.